And thankfully, we're only going to continue to settle into bright and sunny days as dry weather takes hold after we saw that stretch of stronger thunderstorms. In fact, Monday's derecho, we now have 3 confirmed tornadoes from that night. The first in southern Winnebago County, it was rated an EF0. The track is still to be determined as surveying will still be conducted today and for the rest of the week. The next tornado was confirmed in Byron, also with an EF0 rating. And lastly, Davis Junction, another EF0 tornado. When it comes to the track, here's what we know from the tornado that happened in Byron. That stretched over 5 miles right through Byron, over the Rock River, moving then east before dissipating and lifting. Peak winds at 80 miles per hour with a width of 200 yards. And again, that path was 5 miles long. Taking a look further east as well into Davis Junction, that track a little shorter, 1.7 miles long, still also seeing peak winds of 80 miles per hour just to the north of Davis Junction. So almost right along Route 72 there with a width of, again, 200 yards as well. And along with the tornadoes, we also dealt with flash flooding. Luckily, we're going to see relief from that, but on average for the month of July, we see 3.81 inches of rain from Saturday to Monday. Rockford picked up 4.51 inches. So that's well over the month's average, and some spots even saw an estimated 6 to 8 inches in a few hours, not days, a few hours. So definitely appreciating that relief that we're going to see, especially because we are still dealing with the flood warnings. Those are in effect still for parts of the Pecatonica River through Winnebago and Stevenson County, along with the Rock River stretching from Janesville even into parts of Oregon, as we continue to see minor flooding occurring with moderate flooding in the forecast. So if you live in and around these areas or travel near them, keep that in mind. Again, turn around, don't drown if you run into any of those flood waters. Again, luckily, we're seeing that relief. Lots of sunshine moving forward. We are nice and dry. Temperatures a little cooler though, upper 70s today, overnight into the mid 50s. So you could even give your air conditioners a bit of a break. Nice window weather, if you will. We're going to hang on to those 70s even tomorrow as we continue to see drier air moving in, meaning it's going to be very comfortable. Dew points drop into the 50s compared to almost the 80s on Monday. That was oppressive, really just downright sticky. So very comfortable starting today all the way through your Friday. Along with that, we see lots of sunshine. By Friday, we're already back into the 80s. And in your most accurate 10-day forecast, we hang on to those low to mid 80s moving forward. Still dry even through the weekend. Our next best chance for any active weather doesn't return until next Tuesday. Manny.